tribe, I had to go back to Michael's to see if they had $5 grabber bags, and they did. They had tons of them. The lady only charged me $5 for 6 boxes. I should have paid 15, but she says, nope, I'm charging you 5. Enjoy. Merry Christmas. I just wanted to show you all of these Merry Christmas and these stockings. I got them a few years ago from Michael's Grab a Bag. So this is what I do. Your girl's an expert at it. But I just want to show you what I got in these boxes. So let's open up to see our mystery prizes. And so I got a few things that I got from my other boxes. So some of these black pumpkins and some flowers, the florals, of course. This is a horse. And then, of course, in this box was Halloween items. And so we have a pillow of a skeleton, and we have all kinds of like party Halloween decorations. So here is everything I have. Just a disclaimer, I left some items in a box, so I have more stuff, but we have some more florals. And I'm going to put the rest of these flowers, if you saw my other videos, in my daughter's room. I have a lot of Halloween flowers and all kinds of like pumpkins and decor, and we have a pillow here. We have all kinds of Halloween hanging things that you could put on the doors that's kind of blinged out and mirrored. A ball, I'll put that in my daughter's room for Halloween. I can make all kinds of treats and desserts. I have tons of witch hats. I think these are about 12 hats, and then here is a costume hat, I'm assuming. So I'll put that on during Halloween. But I have all kinds of knickknacks, like things I can just have a party and throw stuff in there, all skeleton heads. And I have about 4 to 5 shirts, and I have more shirts in the box that I forgot to put out. So I will give these away, as some of them are like kid sizes. And so we're just walking around. I have all of these Halloween items that cost a lot of money. They're like $60, $80, $90, a little over $100. And so for Halloween, I'm going to display all this. I have a wreath, and I am just going to have a ball when Halloween comes for in order to decor and decorate my house. But I just wanted to show you that I only paid $5, and these items was worth $1,667.48. Like, that's amazing. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.